Hi, this video is about the Nova 332 transport chair with 400-pound weight capacity and 22-inch wide seat. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to take it out of the box. So go ahead and open it up, remove the footrest, and I find that it is easiest to turn the box on its side. And then that way you can pretty much roll the transport chair out of the box. So much easier than lifting it out of the box. Okay, and your transport chair is fully assembled, so all you have to do is open it up, just pull on the handles there, push down on the upholstery, and voila, it's fully assembled, and then you're just going to put on the footrest. So there's right and left footrests. So you're going to make sure that the foot plate is inward, and then you're going to put these two hangers over the two pins. And then the footrest just swings in and locks in place. Same with the other side. Just go ahead and put it over the two pins, push it in, and it just locks in place. All right, so this transport chair is so awesome because it has handbrakes. And having handbrakes allows you to control the speed. So imagine if you're going down a slight ramp or an incline, you want to be able to control that transport chair, and most importantly, the person that's sitting right here. So you can control the speed by pulling up on these handbrakes. They're so comfortable. We have this comfort molded hand grip and these feather touch brakes. So squeeze up to control the speed, and then to lock it, you just push down on the handbrakes, and it parks the transport chair in a locked position. Now you can also lock the brakes with these hand locks right here. But if it's not easy to reach, you can lock your brakes right here, just like that. All right, now this transport chair also comes with dining arms or desk arms that flip up. So this transport chair can then roll up to a table. It's really easy and convenient. And also you just flip up the arms just like this. This makes transferring the user so much easier. Getting out of a car or maybe coming from a bed, it's much easier to transfer from this side, and the arms just push down and then they lock in place. And then to fold up the transport chair, it's so simple. First, you'll just remove the footrest, and you'll just release this lever, and that unlocks the footrest. And then to fold it up, just pull up on the upholstery, like that. And now it's in a folded position, making it so much easier to transport, getting in and out of the car, and going places. There you go. That's your 332 Nova transport chair with 22-inch wide seat and a 400-pound weight capacity. Enjoy the ride. We also have the user guide. So this comes with all of the transport chairs. It's a great reference for assembly, care use, safety, and most importantly, our customer service information, so you can contact us anytime.